Well, here we are. Another day. Oh, and here we are. The dog almost missed my lap again. Silly boy. Oh, yeah. Okay. You're not done, and I guess I gotta clip some more off this guy. He's just, you know, still too shaggy, especially back here. Oh, aren't you? He hates it, though. I did the worst part, though, around his paws. Oh. He actually bit me in the hand a couple of times on that one. Pretty bad. You try to go and clip him, or yeah, he's not as bad giving a bath to, huh? Are you? Well, anyway, what I was going to do today, I was going to check this power supply, feeding it the 24 volts into the dynamotor I have here, and then see how much I have as far as B plus goes coming out of the dynamotor. It's supposed to, you're supposed to be able to put 24 volts into it. It has it listed on the tag that 220 volts will come out of it. So we'll have to check that. So I've got my meter and everything set up here. So we'll do that. Hey, what? You're getting kind of shaky there, dog, like you're ready to fall off. Alright, well, I gotta move anyway. So, let's go over here. Oh, now he jumped over on the bed. Alright, let's go take a look. And there's the dynamotor in question is that one right there. This guy here. This was another eBay purchase. It is not in as good a shape as the original one. It still has the military green on it, whatever. The other one I have back in the corner there. Let's see. It might be a little dark, but as you can see, this one back here, it actually is in better shape. And that one there puts out 225 volts. So, get over here. I have it hooked up so that if I turn on the power, we should have. My camera wants to move. Okay, let's see. We'll get a little closer. And there. Now, turn on the power supply. Notice that's kind of instant on. You hear the running in the background. And we'll turn the meter on. Low. It's running at only 154 volts. That's not good. It's got to run, well, I think the minimum for the receiver is 185 volts. Let me check and see. Maybe I don't have the line cord up, the line high enough on this. We'll see what happens. No, I've only got 104 volts. That's part of the problem. Alright, it's going up. We'll get up to where it is here, which is about 120. Alright, well, whoops, that's really weird. It actually dropped back down from 161. This is really strange. I'm dropping the AC on it and it's going back down. Doesn't make sense. That is really weird. You can hear that thing running, that motor running in the background though. That is the, yeah, that's weird. Alright, let's see, where's 117? Right on 117 going into it, supposedly. Well, we turn that off. You notice how it drops off very rapidly. And I'm going to run this through my let me see, my isolation transformer. Let's see if I have it where I have it set. Let's see. 120. Okay. We'll plug it in there. Well, this is strange. 144, 145 volts. It was up to 160, 161 actually. But it's got to go up to 100 or almost 220 volts. So I am going to have to do some work on this dynamotor. The only thing in the dynamotors could be the brushes maybe not adjusted right, and because internal resistance is going to cause the power to drop off. So that's what I'm guessing what the problem is. So that's going to take some work. Okay, well, I'll check it out and we'll come back later on that one. But I have something else I got to show you anyway. Be back in a bit. Well, the other thing I was going to do is check continuity on this coils for the J71 radio. And it's a GE. So let's see. First, I'm going to turn the light on here somewhere. So we get some light on the subject here. And there it is. See if I can get some light. Alright, we got some light in there. Alright, that might look a little bit better. Now, let's see if you can see the meter. I'm going to try to get that. Okay, now let's see if that meter will show up. We'll get over to ohms. And let's see if you can see that. You should be able to. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to test this to see if I'm getting any continuity through any of the sections of this coil. I'm assuming if I do, oops, get my big hands out of the way. Yes. Okay, got continuity there. Yeah, really low. It's like 3.4 ohms or something like that. Let's see what this one is. That sucker's all over the place. Well, let's see. I'll go back down here. Check this other one. It's showing 1.7 ohms. Down there. We'll go back. Get my hand out of the way again. That's a problem. Oh, come on. Oh, I was touching something else. I wasn't supposed to. Okay, let's see. Well, it helps if there's no capacitor hooked up to that. That would make sense. All right. Well, .4, 3.5 ohms. So it would seem the coils are not broken on that. I don't know about the little Smaller ones, I don't know if they're broken. Can't really tell for sure, although I can see the windings are all right. Let's see, there's one little winding coming out there, but other than that, it looks like it should be all right. But you never know. But I'm pretty sure that's this coil is going to be all right. What the heck? It's been in there since 1940. So anyhow, that's all I wanted to do today. And luckily, a dog hasn't been barking at me. So that's going to be it for now. See you guys later.